Okay, here I am at Basha's. This is our local grocery at Gold Canyon. Let's go inside. Okay, here I am. We have these fresh vegetables. This keeps going on. Oops, behind you. I love red Swiss chards. Yum, yum, yum. Let's get this one. Here we are. Look at this. Look at their ginger. Ginger root. Not that fresh. But they do have some mung bean sprout. So, I'll get one. We have some nice banana. 69 cents a pound. Probably just gonna get 5 of bananas. Bebedilla mushroom is $1.99 a pound. Back side of the groceries. The nice thing about this Basha store though is that it is very clean. Very, very clean. It's like a high-end grocery. That's why everything here is a little bit expensive. So we have some wine right here. Let's take a look one of the prices. Decoy, red wine, 24 bucks. This is their cold beverage and chips and dips. Let's look at the price for this shrimp. $13.98. Cooked shrimp. I need a smaller package. Oh, look at that, it's so big. That is just too big. I need a smaller one. So shrimp here, 22 shrimp, $6.99. And this is shrimp wise, 90 shrimp. It's $17.99. They have this crab and seafood cakes. It is 10 bucks, but I'm not buying them. They have some pork cracklings, $3.99. Alright, I need to get going. I don't have time for this. Gotta go home and cook something. I just need a little bit of things, fresh meat. Look at this. Purloin, $3.55 for 1 pound. I need some Boca burger. I know their Boca burger can be expensive, but I need at least 2 boxes. It should be somewhere here. There it is. $4.39. So what I'm showing you guys is just pretty much American stuff. Their DiGiorno is only $4.99 right now. They are on sale. So I am on the aisle 5. Cans, they have salad dressings, canned vegetables. Look at that price. Holy cow. $3.79. Alright, let's go to soy milk. Gotta get some soy milk. At least 1 bottle of soy milk. How much is it? Almond milk. I like the almond milk, which is the 81.29. That's not bad at all. Now gotta go and get some bread. Oh, look at that bagel. $3.09. So we have this butter. Blue bonnet, $1.29. Oh, which one is good for baking? Okay, let's go home now. I only pick up a few things and I gotta get going because I gotta go make that concentrated ginger juice. So I don't know. I think I got everything. This is what the Basha look like. Let's go ahead and pay for this and let's go find. Let's pick this one. Okay, we are at the register now. This is all I have today. Okay, let's get out of here. And this is what Basha looks like here. I only pick a few stuff. Only paid $47 total. We have some Starbucks coffee inside the Bashas. Let's get out of here. This is what Basha looks like outside. It's very nice and sunny out here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful weather. Alright, let's return this cart. Return carts here. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed shopping with me. If so, please let me know if you want me to make more of the grocery shopping here in Arizona. And I am planning on maybe going some house hunting on my next video, hopefully. Anyways, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog, and if this is your first time, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much.